What we are saying is very simple. We should not sacrifice development because of selfishness of a few people. Definitely, these squabbles are having a toll and affecting public service delivery in Meru County. And that's why as CSRG we are concerned, because we have members there and we receive information every day. The question is, for the whole of 1 year, we have been seeing fights in Meru County. The fight between the CCs and the MCS, the fight between the governor and the MCS, the unending squabbles that go to the Senate. This is definitely, because at what time are they discussing issues of development? What we want to ask the Meru County MCS, how many bills have you brought to the county assembly to ensure that there is water for the people of Meru County, to ensure that there is health care for every resident of Meru County, to ensure that all the ECD centers in Meru County have teachers, for example. So what we are saying here is that development is being sacrificed here, and we are hearing people that people want to dissolve the county government. The county government cannot be dissolved because of political differences. They should be ready to face the law, this very law, because we are now going to invoke Section 27 of the Act to ensure that not only in Meru County, we are issuing notice to all our forums in the 20 counties where we exist to ensure that we start monitoring public service delivery in these counties.